Switches, Gardeners, Online PC Maintenance. Hey, today I want to talk to you guys about Bendbroadband and connecting your media player with the Aries Alpha router. This way you'll be able to watch your recorded videos from your computer on your TV screen in the front room. I'm going to go through some setup procedures that are very important, and you might want to take notes. Okay, so here we go. The first thing you want to be able to do is you want to follow these instructions right here. It's called Network Discovery will not stay on or enabled. But first of all, you need to know that it has to be enabled in order for it to communicate with the Windows Media Player. So how do we go about doing that? Well, first thing we need to do is I'm going to show you how you get to your services, the Windows services, okay? So basically what you want to do is you want to click on your Start button in the left, and we're working with Windows 7, so you click your Start button and you go to Control Panel, which is the easiest way to go, and then you click on the little arrow just right next to the Control Panel in this box, and then you go to All Control Panel items. Once you're here, you'll go to the administrative tool. Okay, once you get to the administrative tool, go ahead and open this up, and at the top you're going to see where it says Component Services. So what you need to do is open up this Component Services, and once it opens, you'll see this box. Okay, and in this box you want to go right over here to where it says Services Local. So you click on this, and it's going to open up all these services you'll see in just one moment. Okay, and now what you want to do is you want to be able to see these services, so you can actually move this bar over so that you can see the services, and you can actually stretch the window out. So we'll stretch it out a bit, and then you'll see these services. Okay, and in here you want to follow the directions. I'm going to move this down a little bit to the left. Okay, and you can see those services, and then go back to my little document, and in here I'm going to move this to the right just so you can see the abbreviations here on the left in services. You want to go to the one that says DNS Client Services and started on automatic. So you want to go find this in these services. So as you look through these services, we're going to go find DNS. Alright, so you scroll down till you find DNS Services Client. Okay, and here's the client. So you basically want to make sure that when you're on this, you right click it. It says Properties at the bottom. You open the Properties, and you want to change this, which I've already got the settings in here changed for myself. You want to change it to automatic, and you will click Start, then you will click Apply, and then OK. Then you'll be finished with that service. Okay, so then once you get that service started, then you go to the next service, and the next service will be the SSDP, Discovery Services Started. Okay, so you want to go to that specific service, and you'll scroll down until you get to SS, and once you get to the SS, and you'll see it says SSDP Services, and it says Discovery. Okay, so basically the same thing again. You highlight this issue, and if you find that one's stopped or disabled, make sure you set it to automatic and start it. So right click on it again, click Properties, and then in here do the same thing again. So you want to set it to automatic. There's a drop down window here. You use that. As you can see, select automatic, and then click Start. Once it starts, then you apply and OK it. I've already started my service, so there's no need for me to do it again. So we're going to go to the next service, and you bring up this window if you have it or watching it. Then you go to the UPnP Device Host Services, and you make sure this one's started. So then you go look for the U, and you scroll on down, and it says UPN Services. Again, you click it so it highlights, right click on it, click on Properties, and then you go in and make sure it says automatic, and then you click Start and Apply and OK. Again, I've already completed these, so these are the processes you'll have to go through. The next one, of course, is the function discovery resource publication services. Okay, so you want to go look for that. It says exactly that. So you want to scroll down, actually scroll up, because it's all alphabetical, and you go to F. Okay, and it says right here, function discovery resource publication. You will click it, right click on it, properties, and you'll set this also to automatically, and you'll click start, and you'll click apply and OK. And that will complete the setup in order to turn on the Discovery Network in Windows Media Player for streaming. Okay, you'll need to be able to stream from your player to the Aries device. Okay, I'll be back in just shortly to show you how to finish and complete this setup.